Hey everyone, this is Cai Ping from Pause 2012, and I am going to show you how to make this eyeshadow look for work or school, especially during the holiday season because there is a metallic sparkly part to it. Feel free to like the video at any point, comment what tutorials you would like to see in the future from Wheesearch, and subscribe to Wheesearch so that you see those tutorials. Let's go! So my face right now has just foundation and like concealer on, and the brows are done. Because it's the holidays, one of the 4 shades has a sparkle in it, and it's just to show, you know, when you go to school or work that, you know, I want to be festive, but I want to be serious at the same time. So here we go. We're going to use this Tartelette in Bloom palette for our shades, but first, primer eyes. We're going to use this LUSCIOUS Cosmetics Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. So we're basically going to take the first row of shadows and work with them. Charmer, Jet Setter, Rocker, and Smoke Show. I love the smell of this palette, by the way. When you open it, it smells like chocolate, because I think there is a cacao infused part to this palette. If your school is more strict, or if your work environment is also more strict on eyeshadow, I would suggest just using Charmer and Jet Setter, the first two, and make a look out of those two. Or you could use Charmer, Jet Setter and blend them in with Rebel and Leader here. But for this look, I'm going to use the first 4. So we're going to take the second shade, we're going to take Jet Setter first, put that all over the lid, or most of the lid actually. I'm going to start with my hands, to be honest. I might go in later with a brush. First layer, I like to do my eyeshadows in layers in different colors and then see what color needs more layers to stand out more. Then I'm going to work on Rocker next, which is the sparkly shadow, so it's okay if there aren't too many layers of this one. This one I'm going to put in the outer sort of third corners of my eyes. Okay, and then I'm going to take Smoke Show, which is the darkest color, and put that in the very outer corner, sort of to create the same effect a wing eyeliner does, but that one, in my opinion, does not have to have like a lot of layers put on it, so I'm gonna make it among the first few. Yeah, no, sometimes when I run out of eyeliner, I just like to make a wing corner with my dark eyeshadows, and it works. We're gonna go in with Charmer on the inner corners, the lightest color. Normally the lightest colors I pack on the most layers on in the end. So yeah, because you can barely see them right now. I'm gonna go back in Jet Setter, and then maybe Smoke Show, and then we're gonna go in with Rocker. Gotta be really careful with that darkest one. I think I'm gonna resort to my brushes in like 2 seconds. Nah, I'm gonna use my brush for the lightest color in the end. I think the rest I'm gonna do with my hands, because so far it's not too bad. Yeah, we need to go in with Jet Setter. There it is. Now we're gonna use my brush to go in with Charmer, which is the lightest color, and just pack it in there. What I like to do actually when I put on eyeshadow with brushes is I will put the shadow on one side of the brush, and then when I'm done packing it in, I'll use the other side of the brush, this guy, to like blend it a bit more. Okay, so eyeshadow is done, mascara, and then lipstick, and we're good. It's time to put on your favorite mascara. It doesn't have to be the Rocket by Maybelline, but this one is a staple for me here. And then I'm going to put on my lip color, which is this BUXOM lip color. I kind of like to put on lip colors after I do eyeshadow. If you want the main focal point of your look to be eyeshadow, you should probably do that first, and then like see how the color turns out, and then do your lip product. But of course, if the focal point is your lips, do that first and then your eyeshadow. This is the final look. If you guys like this video, go ahead and tell us so by giving this video a thumbs up. If you really like this video and want to see more videos like these on how to make different looks from different people, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and I'm Cai Ping from Pause2012. All of my social media links are linked in the description below, and I will see you next time. Bye!
To find out how your favorite makeup products look, wear, and feel before you buy them, go to www.wheesearch.com and discover your beautiful self.